sticky, sweet, and a little spicy roasted chicken, and all your bits and pieces done in the one pan. This is my chili jam chicken tray bake. All right, so those of you who have been watching my channel for a while know that we have gone from a family of 3 recently to a family of 4, which is so delightful, but really not as delightful when it comes to dinner time, and I don't have very much time, and also don't want to do a lot of washing up. So here we are. Today we are doing a 1 tray chicken chili jam tray bake, and this one is super easy. You guys are gonna love it. All right, let's get going on the chicken marinade first of all. And the secret little ingredient here is a homemade chili jam. Now, I've made this on my channel, so you can check out how to make it for yourself. It's an awesome thing to have in the pantry. And here it is, nice and sticky and jammy and sweet and tangy. Now, if you don't happen to have my homemade chili jam in your pantry, that is totally okay. You can just use sweet chili sauce. Easy. Now I want some soy sauce. All right, want some brown sugar as well, and I know that the sweet chili sauce or the chili jam that you're using does have some sweetness, but a little bit of extra here will give us a bit of a caramelization kick in the oven, help with color and stickiness and all that good stuff. Now, just give that a mix. All right, so for the chicken, you guys know by now, I am a leg and thighs girl, so I'm going with that, but you choose whatever your family loves. What I do like to do here is make sure that we're getting as much flavor into the chicken as possible. And that means we wanna kind of slash through into the meat, through the skin, to get some of that marinade in there. And into the bowl with our sticky sauce. Now give all of that a mix. I like to do it with my hands. I can really get in there and make sure that all of that yummy sticky stuff is getting all in the nooks and crannies of that chicken. All right, so let's just leave that chicken for a minute and we'll get onto our rice. Now I'm using a Thai jasmine rice. Any long grain rice is good here. Basmati would be great as well. And that just goes straight into our oven dish. All right, so I want to flavor my rice up a little bit, so I'm going to use some garlic. Just grate that straight in there. And then some chicken stock. And guys, just store-bought is fine. Don't be a hero on a weeknight, unless you've got some in the freezer, obviously. Now, just spread that rice out as evenly as you can in the bottom of the tray. Okay, so I also want some red onion here. And just some nice little wedges. So now we just need to layer up our tray bake. So we want the chicken in first. And now just nestle those little wedges of onion in there. And don't waste the rest of that marinade in the bowl. We want all the sticky goodness that we can get here. And just kind of spread that out over the chicken pieces. And now just a little drizzle of oil on each of those chicken pieces just to help with the browning. Now you want to cover this with some foil. And that just goes into the oven for 50 minutes. All right, so kitchen smelling amazing at this point. And let's just see how we're going. Okay, so this is looking perfect. You can see the rice has just started to soak up all of that liquid. It's popping up there. And what we need now is to give our beautiful chicken time to get a little suntan. So we need 20 minutes in the oven uncovered. All right, so we are looking really good now, guys. Check out the color on that chicken. It is so sticky and glossy and just pretty glorious in my book. And then that crunchy dark brown rice at the edge, that is my total favorite. Love that. All right, now we just want a few little extras here at the end to make things extra special. I'm gonna use some fried shallots. I always keep these in my pantry because they add texture and also like a good savory kind of flavor as well. And then just for a bit of like greenery, we're gonna add some fresh coriander. Now I know a lot of you are coriander haters. That's okay, don't at me in the comments, just leave it out. Or Thai basil's good as well, or Italian basil. All right, there you go guys. Sweet, sticky chicken chili jam tray bake. My goodness, that's a lot of ch sounds. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is it's amazing. Let's taste it though. And let me just make sure that it's amazing for you guys. So now I just want to serve that up. Let's get some chicken out onto a plate. Let's see. You know, for the minimal amount of effort we had to put into this, that tastes so good. I love it when everything's in the one tray. One tray to wash, one thing to put in the oven, one thing to worry about. And when you've got like 2 kids running around, or 1 2-year-old running around and 1 newborn crying very often, that is a very good thing. So good. Those crispy bits of rice are really good too. Yum.